Hello Year 9 and welcome to today's drama lesson. Your first task is to complete the retrieval practice. Place the correct technique to its description. You will need to read through each of the descriptions and place the named technique in the left-hand column. Techniques to choose from: breaking the fourth wall, step out, direct address, role play, freeze frame, split stage, narration and stage configuration. Pause the video here to complete this task. And here are the correct answers. Please make sure that you have the correct answers for the correct description. If you don't, then place the correct answer in the grid. Pause the video here to complete this task. What and why? What? Create a scripted piece using the themes of Hansel and Gretel. Why? To demonstrate your knowledge and understanding of the wider context of Hansel and Gretel. Task: devise a modern performance of Hansel and Gretel. You should include stage directions, a scene description, and characters' names in the margin. You will be writing a script for this task. You should try and use as many different performance skills as possible: pace, posture, facial expressions and tone, accent, levels, and gesture. Here's an example of a scene description. The scene takes place in the courtroom. Hansel and Gretel are sat in the defendant's box. A judge sits upstage centre on a platform. The witch sits downstage left and is sat next to a barrister. There are several people sat in the gallery. Stage directions: judge, in brackets, loudly in an authoritative tone. We are here today to assess whether Hansel and Gretel. You will need to include scene descriptions at the start of each scene. If you are changing locations, you will need to provide a scene description. You will need to use stage directions throughout your piece so that the reader can understand how you wish for the performers to use their vocal and physical skills. Your scene will need to be set in a modern day. Here are some suggested scenes. Number 1. The family abandoned Hansel and Gretel. Number 2. Hansel and Gretel are lost. Number 3. Hansel and Gretel believe they have been rescued by a kind person. Number 4. Hansel and Gretel find themselves in trouble. Number 5. Hansel and Gretel make a plan to escape. And number 6. Hansel and Gretel get the justice and the perpetrators are punished. You can choose to base your scene on something you've begun in class, or you can choose a separate scene. Pause the video here to complete this task. If you have any questions, please email your drama teacher. Have a wonderful day and we'll see you next time.